Hi everyone, Megan Swope here from 2 Minute Tech. Today I want to show you a new feature that Gmail introduced that allows you to send emails confidentially using Gmail. Let's take a look at how to do that. So if we go into a Gmail window and I compose an email that I would like to remain confidential for my recipient. This can include maybe sensitive documents, sensitive information, etc. I can go ahead and type my email as I normally would. This is just going to be a text email in this particular case. And I can attach anything that I would normally attach. To make this email confidential, there is now this new icon in the bottom right corner of your Gmail Compose window that looks like a padlock with a clock on it. And if you hover over it, it says confidential mode on or off. If I click that, it now brings me to my confidential mode window. Confidential mode, first and foremost, ensures that your recipients can literally only read your email. They cannot forward, copy, print, or download the email. You can set an expiration date ranging from 1 day to 5 years. You are restricted to the canned expiration dates, if you will, that Gmail gives you the options of. So maybe I'm going to say this is for 1 week. You can also determine whether or not your email will need a passcode in order to open it. Or if I hover over this little symbol here, it lets me know that if I choose no SMS, essentially a Gmail recipient will just receive the email. If your recipient does not use Gmail, they will get an email with a passcode to allow them to open the email. If you do choose SMS, at that point, you would be prompted to enter your recipient's cell phone number. So let me just show you what this looks like. If I click SMS, I'm going to click Save. You notice I now see in the bottom window of my Gmail box that this is going to be content that expires on May 21st. I can always edit this. And if I go to hit Send, it's now going to ask me to enter the cell phone number of my recipient. In this particular case, I'm actually not going to do that. So I'm going to edit this and go back to no SMS. I'm going to hit Save. And I'm now going to send this email. So you can see what this looks like from the perspective of the recipient. I'm now in my other email inbox that I sent this test email to. And you notice first and foremost, the title is the same, but rather than me being able to see a preview of what this email might be about, it just tells me this message was sent in confidential mode. When I click this email, it does allow me to see the contents of the email. It tells me when the expiration date is. And you notice I don't have the option to forward this email. I can reply to it. And you notice it is not giving me the option to print that email as well. I can print my entire screen, if you will, but not the email itself. I also cannot download that email. That's not an option over here in the 3 dots as it normally would be. If this were not a Gmail account, I would have received an email passcode. Likewise, if this had been sent with SMS verification, I would have had to enter a code in order to access this email. As a sender, if I need to revise that access to that email, I can click on that sent email and I can actually remove access with one click. So if I accidentally sent this to someone or I no longer want somebody to have access, I can click remove access and the other party, the recipient, will now no longer be able to access that email. Certainly, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me at megan@2minutetech.com, or you can check out our website, 2minutetech.com. Thanks for watching.